Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Soft Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change conditional formatting colors and all those tips about the coloring, editing the colors in a conditional formatting. So let's start together. As you can see here, I have some data. If you ask, they don't mean anything. Okay, so they are just made with rand between function so that I can work with them and I can show you something. So I just select my range of data, then head to conditional formatting, and here I want to have, let's say, 2 or 3 conditional formattings, so that they are a little bit different with each other and you can work with them. So the first conditional formatting, I want to be less than, say, 40, and I click OK. And the next one, let's say top 10%, top top 15%, let's say. And before I click OK, you can see a list here. So this is the first way to do this editing. So that's the first way to do manage the coloring stuff with this formattings. So as you can see here, I have some prepared options which I can use. And if I go to custom format, you can see this window opens and you can go through more options and more editing stuff. So here, let's say for font, I want it to be bold and italic. I want it to be bold. Okay, so yeah, I want it to be bold and italic. And then color, yeah, let's say I want to have it with this green color. And then I go to border. Yeah, here you can select cells borders so that this selection will have some certain borders. So I want it to be this type, and I want it to be applied to all the outline. And color, I want to be yeah, this blue, let's say. And so I go to fill settings. Here I want the filling of the cell to be, let's say, this kind of pink. So here actually you can use pattern color, and you can select pattern style. So let's say I want it to be like this. So as I click OK, you can see this weird actually a combination of colors, which shows that I cannot match these colors well together. So you can see all my settings are applied here. Okay, so that's the first way. And the second way will be if you go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and here you can select which one to manage. So I managed this one very well, and I want to go to the second condition. So here you can actually, if this is not showing your formatting rules, you can go for this worksheet or current selection, so that if you change between them, you can maybe see your conditions. So here in this one, I want to show you the second way. Actually, what you will do is to select the condition and go to edit rules. So if I go to edit rule and here I go to format, you can see the same actually window, which I go to font and it's, let's say, red. The borders I want it to be like this one, or yeah, this one, the solid line. I want it to be to apply to all the outline borders, and I want them to be filled with, let's say, this color. So I click, yeah, pattern style. I want it to be like this, maybe, yeah, or yeah, something like this. I click OK, then click OK, then click apply and OK, and you can see that my settings are applied now. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Technomatsoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.